All right, guys, 2014 Lexus IS 250 all-wheel drive. This is what it sounds like before. Here's sound decibels again. You guys can see it's very quiet. So he brought in a Valvetronics Designs universal muffler kit, as you guys can see there. He brought in his own Valvetronics valved exhaust kit, universal mufflers, and we're gonna install them on this beautiful IS 250. So stay tuned, guys. We'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys, 2014 Lexus IS 250 or 350. I'm not sure. I'll look at the back in a second. We got something really special on it. They just dipped the wheels. Really clean car, really beautiful. It's for his son, so we really appreciate him bringing it down. Factory converter there, secondary converters there, factory X pipe there. Then we did a resonator delete, as you guys can see right there. Then we ran a 2-inch pipe out the back, because he usually comes with 1 3/4 there. 2-inch pipe out the back on each side into 2 Valvetronics universal mufflers right there and right there, as you guys can see. And then he bought a set of tips. There's the Valvetronics system right there. There's the mufflers. And how it works is there's a valve in here that opens and closes. When it closes, it goes into the muffler. When it's open, it goes straight through and makes it a lot louder. So that's how it works. And there's the tips that we put on it that he brought to their Valvetronics tips. So there'll be a link in the description for the mufflers and the tips if we can find them for you guys, okay? Came out really nice, really clean. There's the 2 resonators that were on it. And there's the 2 mufflers that were on it and tips that we cut off. There and there. And there's the box of the Valvetronics. And that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. This is with the valves closed, guys, on the Valvetronics IS 250 all-wheel drive. Go ahead. Let's do it. Here's sound decibels. Right at 90. Again. Go ahead and open the valves. Big difference. Here's with the valves open. It hit 111 earlier. Again. Yeah, it hit 111. So huge difference. Loud when you want it, quiet when you want it. The Valvetronics difference. I hope you guys enjoy it. Close it again. It's a lot better. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. We are in Nashville, Tennessee, guys, so if you want anything and you're close to us, hit us up. That's with it closed. So you still get a little bit of tone, not a lot. Go ahead and open it. This is with it open now. Big difference. Still clean though. Yeah, with this system you gotta take the resonators off to make it sound just right. I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside.
Valve's closed. And open.
Nice looking Lexus. They plastic dipped the wheels themselves. They did a really good job on it. It looks good. It's clean. They just got the windows tinted too.